Thank you very much, Sir Danny and Amaka, for your performance. As it turns out, we have to give you the news of whether you're gonna stay with us or leave. And we've come to the consensus that both of you are gonna stay with us longer on the show. Congratulations. You can't go home yet because we need you in the next round.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Precious, congratulations, you're going through to the next round.
Thank you so much.
The results of this performance is that Rainy, you're going through to the next round.
Davi, congratulations, you're going to the next stage.
Yes, Avi.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Smart Lily, you're gonna go on to the next stage.
Constance, we'll give you one more chance. Congratulations, you'll be going to the next round. Please make sure you bring your A game. Quest, we believe you have something. We don't know what happened now, but we say congratulations to you. You'll be going on to the next round. You must bring your A game. There will be no hula baloo.
Both of you are gonna go through to the next round.
They don't ginger you now. If you want to make a ginger, you give me
So both of you are going through to the next round.
Oh my.
Yes, you're gonna go to the next round.
Congratulations,
performance.
guys.
Not just because of the legwork. Congratulations.
You're going to the next round.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, you are going to the next round.
Thank you.
You will be going on to the next round. Both of you, congratulations.
I don't know why.
Thank you.
Your face show.